Right now in Kenya, thousands of people are on Google searching AI jobs, AI courses, how to use AI. Everywhere you look, Kenyans are asking questions about AI. I saw Google data that searches for AI jobs and courses. They are skyrocketing. That shows you one thing: AI is no longer a foreign thing, it's here with us. But here's the problem. Most people are still confused. They hear AI jobs and think you need a degree in computer science or millions to start. That's not true. In fact, some of the fastest growing AI jobs in Kenya right now need nothing more than a smartphone, internet bundles, and curiosity. Let me show you exactly how. All right, here are 10 unique and untapped AI jobs in Kenya that you've probably never even heard of. And I'm giving them to you for free because you're part of this community. All I ask is simple: subscribe and like this video so I can keep bringing you insider hustles that actually work here in Kenya. Number 1, AI-powered court and legal assistance. Ordinary Kenyans can't afford lawyers for every small issue. You can use AI to draft demand letters, tenancy agreements, or even simplified contracts. You don't need to be an advocate. You frame it as document drafting services. I know a cyber cafe in Embakasi that now offers AI-generated demand letters for 500 shillings. They're always busy with tenants, landlords, and hustlers. Number 2, AI tourism and Airbnb marketing. Many small Airbnb owners in Kenya don't know how to market online. You can use AI to create professional listings, captions, photos with AI enhancement, and even auto reply to inquiries. A former student of mine who lives in Diani uses AI to run Facebook ads for 2 Airbnbs. He charges $5,000 per month per client. Number 3, AI voiceover for vernacular content. Many people want ads, Bible verses, or motivational quotes in Kikuyu, Luo, Kamba, Kisi, etc. AI voice generators can now do vernacular accents. I've heard of this guy in Nakuru who creates Kikuyu motivational TikToks with AI voiceovers. His page blew up past 50,000 followers in under 6 months. He now charges for promos. Number 4, AI for farming advice, agri-tech hustle. Farmers in Nyeri, Kitale, or Meru struggle with pests, fertilizer ratios, or market prices. You can use AI to generate farming guides or AI chat support for farmers. Package this into PDFs, short videos, or WhatsApp groups. A friend in Eldoret is selling AI-generated maize and dairy guides at 300 shillings per booklet. He just sends PDFs via WhatsApp, 0 printing costs. Number 5, AI for music and entertainment. Create AI beats for gospel choirs, AI backing vocals for solo singers, or AI jingles for radio ads. A music studio in Rongai is making AI jingles for Boda Bodas' Bluetooth speakers at 200 shillings each, and people love them. Number 6, AI relationship and dating assistance. Funny but true, Kenyans struggle with bios, text, and captions. You can offer AI dating profile services, write bios, generate flirty responses, or edit pictures. A former student of mine who resides in Juja now charges 500 shillings to set up polished dating profiles using AI. He even offers AI ghostwriting for chats. Number 7, AI funerals, obituary services. Sad truth, families struggle to design tributes, write speeches, or create memorial videos. With AI, you can write heartfelt tributes, generate voiceovers, or even produce slideshow videos with photos and background music. You can charge 3,000 shillings to create professional tribute videos for funerals. Do 3 to 4 per week. Number 8, AI translation and subtitles. Kenyans love Nollywood, Turkish, and Spanish series. Add Swahili subtitles using AI. Churches and NGOs also need Kiswahili, French, Somali translations. A former student of mine in Kasarani is earning side money subtitling Nigerian gospel clips into Swahili for churches at 2,000 shillings per project. Number 9, AI personalized learning tutor. Parents in Nairobi are stressed with CBC homework. You can set up AI-powered learning guides for their kids. A friend of mine in Ruaka charges parents 1,000 bob per week to give their kids AI study buddies via WhatsApp. Basically, AI chatbots answering homework questions. Number 10. AI TikTok account manager for hustlers. Jua Kali welders, Matumba sellers, shop owners. None of them know how to edit trendy TikToks. You shoot raw clips, AI edits, plus captions, plus voiceovers. I've talked to this girl, Mercy, on WhatsApp, and she told me she manages TikTok pages for 4 different salonists. She edits AI videos for them daily and earns $15,000 a month steady. Bonus job, writing business proposals for clients. A close friend of mine in Kahawa West told me he's already using Google Gemini, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Claude to help him write business proposals for clients. He charges 1,500 bob each. The guy isn't even a professional writer, but AI is helping him look like one. Here are some mistakes you should avoid with AI. Mistake number 1, believing AI will make you rich overnight. AI is a tool, not a magic ATM. If you treat it like quick money, you'll give up too soon. Think of it like M-Pesa when it started. Only those who built systems around it made long-term money. Mistake number 2, copy-pasting Western AI ideas. What works in America may flop in Kenya. For example, AI real estate chatbots sound cool, but here people prefer WhatsApp voice notes and phone calls. Always localized for Kenyan behavior. Mistake number 3, ignoring the human touch. AI makes things fast, but Kenyans value trust and relationships. If you only send AI-generated designs without personal follow-ups, clients won't stick. Add a human face to the hustle. Mistake number 4, not niching down. Saying I do AI services is too broad, but saying I help churches subtitle sermons into Kiswahili with AI makes you memorable. Narrow focus equals bigger impact. Mistake number 5, failure to market yourself. Even if your AI hustle is powerful, no one will know if you don't market. Kenyans trust recommendations, use TikTok reels, estate WhatsApp groups, and even posters at kiosks. Lastly, I'm giving you the Kenyan AI playbook designed by me to help you succeed, make a lot of money, and help others too. First, pick a niche with demand. Go where money already flows. Funerals, weddings, churches, farming, small businesses. AI should solve real Kenyan problems, not Silicon Valley fantasies. Second, package it using AI tools. Don't just send plain text. Use AI for voiceovers, auto subtitles, polished images, or branded PDFs. Presentation is what makes clients pay premium. Third, sell where Kenyans hang out. Forget building big websites at first. Kenyans buy on WhatsApp groups, church gatherings, chama meetings, and TikTok. That's your marketing ground. Fourth, build consistency. Your first project may only make 500 bob, but if you deliver quality, word spreads fast. Kenyans gossip, but they also recommend, especially for unique hustles. Fifth, keep learning new tools. AI is moving crazy fast. What works today might be outdated next year. Spend at least 30 minutes weekly testing new apps so you stay ahead of the pack. AI in Kenya is still fresh. In 2 years, people will act like they always knew. But right now, 2025, this is your window. AI isn't the future anymore. It's happening now. The people who grab these opportunities early will be the ones everyone else looks at in 2 to 3 years wondering, how did they make it? So don't just watch this video and forget. Pick one thing today, try it, and see where it takes you. Because trust me, in Kenya, AI is not replacing people. It's replacing people who refuse to learn it. The same way people regret not buying land in Kitengela at 100,000 per plot is the same way they'll regret not learning AI when it was still new. Don't be that person. Start today. My name is Victor, founder of Cenvotex B and M Solutions, an AI-powered branding and marketing agency based in Nairobi, Kenya. I'm a digital marketer, AI consultant, and professional graphic designer.